Eyes. Eyes.
Hello everyone, this is May de Los Santos Cocoquera. So this channel is about travel, food, and go out with kids and enjoy where we go. So welcome to my channel and I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Good evening guys. So ito yung pizza. Angel's Pizza. So, talagang masarap siya, guys. Then, yan. So, ang in-order ko, triple pizza. Kasi, para may variety. Tatlo siya. Hawaiian, saka yung pepperoni, and the other one. And I can tell you guys, it's really yummy. And, it's my first time I order this one. And, I can tell you, yum. Yum, yum, yum. So, Sahira is already eaten. And me, eating the pay more. While I wait the, what you call that, the cook boiling for Sahira. Asa man mo, the middle? Hmm? You want the middle, baby Lala? Mm. Sahira, ayaw na ba? So, this is it. This is it, the pizza, guys. So, this pizza is a three different kind in one box. So, it's my first time I order this one because I want to try. And then, here we go in the my front. We already eat this one, but I can tell you this is yummy because it's make me eat and eat and eat and eat. So I cannot move on the taste. The taste of this one is so delicious. More yummy than other pizza. No name because they will get madubas. So it's my first time to order. Oh no, it's not my first time to order. Two times already, but I ordered different one. I ordered the alugbati, something like that. And this is a pepperoni. Then, Shahira is sleeping na. So this is 18 inches. Huh? It's not properly cut, guys.
It's not cut.
It's not cut properly because maybe a lot of people ordering this time. So look at the
they don't have no time.
no time to cut because maybe it's a lot of people waiting. So before we order pizza, they only eat is
Name.
Sahira and him, my partner. I'm just ignoring because sometimes the pizza that I order, I don't like it. There's a lot of cheese. But this one, you don't know that there's a cheese, but they have cheese this one. Then it's really soft. The way you can taste, yum.
deliciosa.
And both two of them like the pizza of Angel. Then me also, I love it. I'm just sit down and eat and eat.
Mama, just ulo. Can you just sleep there?
We sleep in your room so you will be cool down. So
And only you today only. I don't want to go to tomorrow.
let's try if you are okay. Basta guys, this one is so yummy. I recommend you this one. You order the triple pizza.
So yummy then.
So you have 3 variety if you like. Then I don't know if in your place have like this, but here in Dumaguete we have
Wala kay Brianna.
wala, ano man.
When I do the
They have. Then after this you can order and you can go to their place. I don't know where's the exact place they have, but
how about
you can order in
how
Grab.
How about yellow?
Order in Grab, yummy.
How about yellow cup?
Poor guy.
Yellow cup.
Oh my.
This video mga kahukokera, gumawa kami na si pangalan nito, bilo-bilo, binignit, bilo-bilo, or what else?
Dinoldog.
Or dinoldog. So, murag, sarap-sarap jud kayo ba? No?
Yan yung trabaho guys, basta wala ko ikuan.
Walay trabaho si kuya.
Ko'y biyahe
Magluto ra na siya.
para food trip ra god, food trip.
Portrait.
Okay na lagi parang na lagi.
Today's ulam beef adedel from Del Mundo. Nanatay rice, di ba? Okay, rice. Pit.
Suspit.
Suspit.
Lami
Darapit. Init-init pa.
Parang malian na to yung gayok mo floor.
Go. Larga na di repeat.
Sorry po ha.
Sa LBC ra pet, pa-LBC ra ne.
Pahal busy ang usa ka kuan. Usa ka lutuan. So, today's video guys, naay ko'y bisita. So ako ni silang kumpanyon nga makakaon ko. So na.
Yung sa nagay mo.
Naay kuan. Fried rice.
Na
Naay
dinuldo.
Del Mundo nga corned beef.
Ay, usap.
Naay dayok.
Kaya ko na kaya butang ko din ng lubid kasi kana mo kaon.
Naay
Nay, usap.
iced tea. Oh, iced tea for today. Oh, unlimited.
Lugar gamit.
After lunch, guys, nagdinoldog na pud mi. What the life? Wala man si Ate Sahira. Si Bibi dyan narira.
Todo na to guys.
Lemon.
Nagdinoldog ng walay party. Nani mi diri ko mag food trip.
Food trip yun, walay saad.
Kalit ra, kalit.
No
Saad
saad.
ka, di madayon.
So ako diri guys. Bang.
Hello. Food trip.
Wala si Sahira, kami rather si Daddy natulog.
Dinuldog.
So they saved my lunch. Lunch and breakfast.
Dili utos sa din. Hi guys! So thank you for watching my video and
I hope you like it. And this is May de Los Santos Hocoquera. So enjoy your life, guys, with your family. And I will say bye-bye. See you.